Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create a logo on different niches. And this skill is very popular. Logo designing is a very popular and premium skill nowadays. So let's get started, and I will teach you how you can create logos on in today's video. I will teach you how you can create logo on sports niche. So you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can go to social media pages related to sports and ask them about your services, or go to websites on Google and related to sports and ask them your services, and they will surely hire you. Or you can target offline markets like sports academy, etc. So let's go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best graphic design software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. You can learn this software in some time. And if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I uploaded a complete playlist on Canva designing course. After watching the playlist, I surely say that you will know everything about Canva. So let's get started. I click on create a design. Here I search logo, and logo is 500 by 500 pixels. So we are creating sports logo, so background is like yellow or red, so we try both. So after that, our dummy company name is Sports Monkey. So let's see. This one is good, so we'll go with it. After that, I paste a text, and here I write Sports Monkey and put a text here. But I think we have to change the background color. Yeah, it's look more good. So our logo is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.